you're not a fucking triple G. Everything, it doesn't matter what you're gonna say, no. Every time you're coming back, you just fucking want it, ho. So what you need to do, every time you're coming back, really bitch, you just need to fucking back slap. So where we need to go, every time we need to recognise everything, it doesn't matter, cause it's all about the size. So really where the fuck have we got to go? It doesn't matter, cause we know you're a two-bit hoe. Every time it doesn't matter, oh come and look at me, look a little shape in my titties. Nah bitch, it doesn't really work like that, because you're coming back, you just sound like a twat. Every time it doesn't matter where the fuck you need to go, because I'm coming back drinking my beer, yo. It doesn't work. Bitch, I just wanna work. Ha! Nah, go get fucked. Really doing nothing but a cowboy fucking mutt. All you little sluts, so you want it in the fucking butt. Look at that, you're nothing but a fucking cum slut. You just want that shit to swallow in your lungs. Really, it isn't it fucking really even fucking fun? Ha! I swore a little bit too much. Cause you're nothing but a slut, so really what the fuck have I got to go? No, every time you're going back, really it's not a show. It's not a camel toe, it's not a fucking give and go. Every time it doesn't matter what the fuck you say, yo. 1, 2, 3, 4, doesn't matter bitch, because you're gonna be on the floor with the stitch. Every time you want the dick in your fucking guts, really who the fuck is the fucking slut? So where we're gonna go, every time it doesn't matter, code. Every time doesn't matter, yo, what you need to do. Every time I say true, look at this bitch, I can fucking twerk too. I can't even shake my ass, because I'm fucking sitting here 26 from the past. So really, what the fuck you doing on my newsfeed? Really bitch, you need everything, it doesn't matter, cause you just want the D. Really, it doesn't fucking matter to me, because you're sitting here just a fucking 12B. Nah, sorry, you're fucking 14. What the fuck have you got to do with me? Everything, it doesn't matter what the fuck you got to say, because I'm still saying fuck you too, hey? Look at this shit, too. It doesn't matter because I'm fucking on YouTube. Oh, look at me twerk. Nah, bitch, you don't even fucking work. You're fucking 13. Sitting there getting blowjobs. Wait a second, it's the opposite way, no? Every time it doesn't matter, give me a sickie. I'll sit here and I'll blow you off, G. Nah, it doesn't matter, I fucking don't care, because you're gonna get the fucking backhand, bitch. Every time it doesn't matter what you want to recognise. Nah, bitch, you just want to fucking supersize. So where you want to know? It doesn't matter, cause this ain't my fucking show. You really want to fucking get on the crack, G? It doesn't matter what you got to say, fuck me. Nah, I think that's you, bitch. Sitting there with the fucking dick getting stitched. Doesn't matter cause you want the D every time, no. Doesn't matter cause we all know you're a hoe. Spread your legs, it doesn't matter what the fuck you got to say, because you're coming back. I got Limber Jane. Oh, look at that. I fucking blew him. Nah, bitch, you just fucking get thrown in the bin. You're just gonna be one of those Brit pops. It doesn't matter cause you got the fucking big twat. You got the fucking big hole. Doesn't matter cause we know that it's all whole. Every time it doesn't matter where you're gonna go, cause you're gonna come back, still say fuck you, yo. Every time it doesn't matter where you're gonna go, because we're still sitting here going Hixie, yo. What you gonna say now? You're nothing but a little fucking cabbage slut now. Fuck, that beer tasted great. Nothing like your vagina, bitch, you might, hey, nah. Doesn't fucking work like that, because you're an ugly twat. Fucking 12Bs are running out of fucking breath. Do you see this, G? Can't stand up doing this for too long, because I'm sitting here, bitch, you're not getting my slung, because I'm not giving it to you, no way. Because you're sitting here getting fucking free every Jane, every time. It doesn't matter what you do, I'll even fucking have a shot for you. I really couldn't give a fuck, I really don't care now. Every time I'm coming back, you're a fucking bear now. Bitch, you should be on a Sony, not sitting there playing with every phony. Every dick doesn't matter, you wanna fucking supersize, because I'm coming back now, this is fucking life.
Give you a Big Mac, not my little fry.
Fucking McDonald's, bitch. Go get a fucking sip-sized, deep-fried fucking Mars bar, cunt.
Peace.